Hey, well, Happy New Year's. That's my first video of 2012 technology videos. I would like to start off this year with an unboxing of an iPod Nano. This is the 6th generation iPod Nano. I believe this is the last generation, right? Because the current generation is the 7th generation. Here we have the little case that comes in it. A little cube. Here we have a box, an iWatchz, which is an armband that lets you wear the iPod Nano as like a watch, which is something that a lot of people, including Apple, have been advertising it as. And lastly, I have here a screen protector for the iPod Nano. Here we have the iPod Nano. The volume buttons right here, the power button, and the usual iPod dock and headphones. And it's also a clip on. This time Apple in California as always. Little handy start guide. Headphones. And USB cable. And what would you know, there's always an Apple sticker in these products. Fortunately, it's only one Apple this time, but oh well. Instructions for the Genius, playlists, the radio, mic, the controls, how to use it, the home screen, and other options. What amazes me always of Apple is that they always come up with ways to put everything, all of these things like the cable, both cables and the Nano in a case of this size. It really does amaze me. They always find ways to simplify it compared to other companies that don't do that same type of things. Here we have the iWatchz. Lastly, I would like to open the screen protector and put on the screen protector on the iPod Nano. This company, Screen Guard, is actually generous because they gave me three screen protectors when other companies just gave me two, such as the iPhone, the iPod Touch, and others just give me one for screen protection, such as the iPad. Finally got it on. So let's turn on the device. It comes with a little bit of battery already. Music, we got music, radio, clock, photos, podcast, settings. This is how the volume is. It's just like a mini version of iOS on this thing. The background is the wallpaper of iOS. It's like little apps. I bet you can get some apps running in this thing. Now let's get to the purpose of wearing the watch. So that's how it's going to appear. The watch and wearing it as such. Though I don't know yet how to configure the clock to be this way, but I will figure it out soon. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this iPod Nano unboxing. Thanks for watching.